bulb warning failure on the dashboard of the Sprinter. If you want the warnings to go off your dash, so you can see here, no messages. I don't even have a bulb plugged in. Every other time it brings up bulb warning for parking lamp out, or if you want to run LED lights, this is what you've got to do to stop the warning light coming in the dashboard. Get a decent diagnostic tool like the top down Phoenix Max. Don't go into SAM, come into EZS, press enter and OK. Come then into variant coding. Top left here. So then on here we'll scroll down. You'll see it in a second. I'll just do it in real time. Lamp failure recognition not present. It was present and that's why I was getting warning lights on my dashboard. So you click on it, then click that drop down button. If I press present, it'll make it present. If I press not present and press OK, then the warning will go off. I'm just going to abort all this. I'll get back to it. Well, actually, all you then have to do is click write codings, and then the ECU on the vehicle will then be coded out from having that bulb warning on your dashboard. And it's that simple to get the bulb warning off the dashboard of a Sprinter. So you can run any bulbs, any wattage, no more resistors and daft stuff like that. That's all you need to do. So we'll swap out these halogen daytime running lights for these LED ones. That's both sides in. Start the van. It will come up with parking lamp failure if I hadn't coded it, but it's not going to come on. And then you can have really bright LED lights as your daytime running lights and your HMs or anything. Looks like it's flashing there. That's just the video. That's a perfect light. I don't know why it looks like it's flashing, but it's not. So instead of halogen, LEDs, and that is the easy way around it.